Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video I'll be walking you through how I make this yummy mac and cheese, guys. It's really nice and yummy, which you can make it at home, quick, easy and simple, guys. I want to say thank you to everybody, my subscribers, my viewers, returnees, and the new and the old. Okay guys, so this is going to be our ingredients for our mac and cheese or macaroni and cheese. So I got my macaroni, so this might not be the regular mac and cheese macaroni, but then we are going to make this work, okay? So you can use any kind of macaroni. And so this is Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. Yeah, I mean, you can use any kind of cheese that you like, okay? So this is my paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and this is mixed spices. So Miss Spices as CONNIEMARTS Foods. Miss Spices, guys. So this is 100% natural and organic, proudly made in Ghana. So it has all the ingredients here and what we can use it for. So this can be used for shito. Should I say shito? This can be used for shito, kelewele, stew, soup, and anything that will need spices. And guys, you can check it out for pictures. And guys, I mean, as comes in handy. Okay, all right. So I got my butter, my salt, flour, and my milk. Okay, so this whole milk, you can use any kind of milk. And guys, let's dive into it. So guys, to make it quick and easy, I got my hot water boiling, which makes it so easy to cook, like, quick and fast. Yeah, just few seconds and we are done. Okay, let's give it a stir and cover it for some few minutes and we will be done. And you can add more milk if you think it's too thick. So two things. It's either you, so this is the macaroni, I'm going to pour it into it. So it's two things. It's that you put the macaroni on it on fire, or you pour your sauce, cheese sauce, on the macaroni rather. So anyhow you want it, but I am going to pour everything on fire. Just stir it. So this is how it is right now. Okay, so you want to make it as cheesy as you want. Okay, so just as cheesy as you want. So I'm going to pour it in here. Let's make it as cheesy as you want it, okay? More cheese, more cheesy. So okay. So we are going to top it with the rest of the cheese. So guys, our mac and cheese is ready. It's almost got dry and you don't want it to be, okay? So let's see how cheesy it was. So as I said, you can make it as cheesy as you want, okay? So as cheesy as you want it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Which one goes first? A fork. So this is it, guys. Right, looking yummy and delicious. So for your kids and everybody at home can enjoy it, and you can make it as cheesy as you want it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye. You are invited. Okay.